Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello bakers! In this video I will explain how to make cake cream, a full guide. First, let's gather our essential ingredients: unsalted butter, powdered sugar, and a splash of milk or heavy cream. It's crucial that your butter is at room temperature, not melted, for that perfect creamy texture. You'll also need a stand mixer or a good hand mixer to achieve the desired consistency. Let's get started on this delicious journey. Now, let's get to the mixing. Begin by creaming your room temperature butter in your mixer for about 3 to 5 minutes until it's wonderfully light and fluffy. Next, gradually add your powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time, ensuring it's fully incorporated before adding more. Finally, slowly drizzle in 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk or heavy cream, mixing until smooth and combined. This creates a beautiful base. Time to personalize your cream. You can add various flavorings like 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a half teaspoon of almond extract, or even some fresh citrus zest. Taste and adjust as you go. If your cream is too thin, add a bit more powdered sugar. If it's too thick, a tiny splash of milk will do the trick. Give it a final beat for 2 to 3 minutes to incorporate more air, making it extra light and fluffy. Once your cake cream is perfect, you can store it. Place it in an airtight container and refrigerate for up to 3 days. When you're ready to use it, simply bring it back to room temperature and give it a quick re-whip to restore its smooth texture. Then, apply your delicious cream evenly to your completely cooled cakes using an offset spatula or a piping bag for a professional finish. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.